I'm Rachel.
And I'm Chris. We founded The Transformation Chef in 2018, offering a range of nutritionist-designed, restaurant-quality ready meals sold predominantly online. All of our meals are flash frozen to lock in taste, preserve nutrients and proteins, and help reduce food spoilage and waste.
Having researched into the frozen ready meal market in the UK, we couldn't find anything with restaurant standard food quality that was also nutritionally balanced. So we set about writing our own range of recipes.
We found that celiac disease affects 1 in 100 people in the UK. However, only about 30% are currently clinically diagnosed. In addition, just over 1 in 10 people have an intolerance to lactose. Therefore, not only are they designed to be tasty and nutritious, they are all created bespoke from scratch, and from day one have all been completely free of gluten, dairy, and refined sugar.
We've always strived to ensure that we have an exciting, creative range of plant-based meals instead of the usual 1 or 2 options. In order to enhance our plant-based range, in August 2021 we acquired Mitch's Kitchen range of meals. Healthy, convenient and delicious food that is gluten and dairy free, just like ours.
Initially, we worked in the evenings and weekends around our full-time jobs to ensure we built a strong and stable business. Both Rachel and I now work solely within The Transformation Chef to really drive the business forward. With an average order value of over £50, visitors to our website up by 144% year to date, and over 50% of our return customers repeat ordering again within 30 days. We truly believe we've grown the best possible routes to really fly with further investment.
We've built The Transformation Chef from day one on 3 key pillars: sustainability, provenance and quality. And we truly believe that the 3 interlink to offer our customers a super premium product with great customer service to match. From powering our business with renewable energy, to reducing food miles, and to recycling the majority of our waste, we also use a carbon neutral delivery option to take our customers' meals to their doors.
In July this year, we started the switch to Kemp, insulated packaging that's made 100% from natural plant fibres that are still protective, strong and secure. We also launched our new return solution, which allows customers to return boxes, insulation and ice packs for us to reuse them. We've built lasting relationships with the suppliers themselves, visiting them on their farms, boats and at their production facilities to ensure that they're at the centre of everything that we do.
As you can probably tell, we are extremely proud of what we have achieved to date from our small family business, but this is really the tip of the iceberg of where we think we can take The Transformation Chef.
Lots of our customers can't wait to get involved, and we're looking to raise £125,000. With our own production facility already in place, we can divert the majority of these funds into growing our operations and production teams and marketing to wider audiences and sectors.
We have assembled a creative and leadership team to rival the best in the business, from backgrounds as senior buyers of household names, food consultants to high street brands, and the most innovative marketing geniuses we've come across. We're in a great position as we move forward to the next stages of our development. Thanks for taking the time to listen to what we have to say.
We'd love to chat to you directly should you have any questions about joining us on this exciting